Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure your PC is online and Chrome is closed except for what you need. This prevents lost work and speeds the update. Once done, open Chrome using the taskbar or Start menu and look at the top right for the three-dot menu. Make sure Chrome is not managed by an administrator if you expect auto updates. This matters because company policies can block updates. Now click the three dots to begin the update check process. From the three-dot menu, select Help, then About Google Chrome. This forces Chrome to check Google's servers and start any download. While it downloads, watch the progress and note the new version number so you can verify success later. Make sure other apps aren't blocking downloads and allow a few minutes for larger updates. Once the status shows downloaded, click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen, applying the update. After relaunch, confirm the version matches the one you saw downloading. After relaunch, verify you're up to date by returning to About. It should read Google Chrome is up to date with the version number. If the update fails, restart your PC first and try again because stuck processes often block installation. Make sure Firewall or Antivirus isn't blocking Chrome. Temporarily disable them briefly if safe. If problems persist, run Chrome's cleanup tool or uninstall and reinstall Chrome. This preserves bookmarks if you're signed into your Google account. That single step usually fixes stubborn update errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.